you can miss a single being, even though you're surrounded by countless others. They're an unwelcome distraction. They cloud your vision.
So I'm an unwelcome distraction. I'm a cloud.
You are the only part of my life I haven't figured out yet. Your hair, it's so like my wife's hair.
Well, I hope you like your wife.
I did. She died 3 years, 2 months, and 11 days ago.
What are you doing with my dad?
I'm not doing anything with him. I'm his friend.
He hasn't told me a word about you.
He hasn't told me a word about you either. I thought you didn't have anyone. You know, like I don't have anyone. And maybe you and I could be family.
You had this fantasy about the perfect family that you never got to have.
You know, if I had a father like Matthew, I would be very happy.
Why? Because he's such a shining example of fatherhood?
That he's still alive.
All I ever wanted for you was to go out in the world, chase your dreams, find adventure, fall in love, take risks.
Why didn't you ever tell me that?
What do you want from me?
I want you to stop acting like you're the only one who lost her.
Sometimes you meet someone who requires all the love you have to give.
You're still here, Matthew. If you want things to be different, you can still change them. It's not too late for that.
God, I adored you, but I did not need a teacher. I needed a father.
Please, Matt. I want to go home.
Seriously, Dad, why don't you just move back home?
I stay right here. Don't let her get away.
I won't.
Don't let her run away.
Pauline?
Yes.
Don't let anybody get in your way.
Dad,
What?
stop it.
Okay.